are going to talk about a different active, which is vitamin C. And without further ado, let's get started. First, let's talk about what is vitamin C. Vitamin C is basically an antioxidant which helps your skin in a regeneration process, which will help further to regenerate your skin cells, and it will repair the damage that actually happened from the pollution and the environmental other causes. And the purest form of vitamin C that we can find in the market is L-ascorbic acid, and there are different vitamin C forms as well that are available in the market that I'm mentioning on the screen. But the purest form that I would recommend for you to use is L-ascorbic acid, that you can easily find in a lot of different things like serums, moisturizers, emulsions, and whatnot. One thing you need to remember is that our body cannot produce vitamin C on its own. Vitamin C is a very powerful antioxidant that we actually get synthetically from plants, vegetables, and fruits. The best way to get vitamin C is definitely eating a lot of fruits and vegetables. But now we are talking about skincare, so let's stick on that subject. We maybe talk about this in the future some other day. So as we are talking about antioxidant, you should know that vitamin C is not only limited to the antioxidant properties. It has a lot of collagen as well and elasticity as well. It makes your skin look more firmer and younger and more plumpier. I mean, who doesn't want to look young? But you have to be very careful how you store your vitamin C, because when it comes in contact with air, light, or anything, if it's left open, just generally, if you're not storing it in a dark bottle or somewhere like hidden, then it will lose its property. You have to be very careful how you store your vitamin C. Now let's talk about some benefits that you can get from vitamin C.
Vitamin C is such a powerful antioxidant, gives you so many benefits targeting almost every skin issue. Here I have listed some of those benefits. You can see improvement in your skin in almost 3 to 12 weeks after using vitamin C. We can find vitamin C in market with a safe pH of 2.6 to 3.2. It works amazing with ferulic acid, vitamin E, and hyaluronic acid. And a combination of ferulic and vitamin E works amazing as well. Some of the ingredients you should never mix vitamin C with, and niacinamide cannot be used with L-ascorbic acid, but definitely can be used with other extracts like green tangerine and centella. Some of the things to remember: do not use concentration over 20%, it can be very irritating to the skin, and if you have sensitive skin, then try to opt for a lighter vitamin C having less than 20% concentration. Here I have made an easy routine for you so you can get an idea how to use vitamin C in your skincare routine. I use vitamin C only in mornings, but it's safe to use both times in the morning as well as night. But don't forget your sunscreen in the morning. Here I have some of my favorite vitamin C recommendations. So first I have for you Claire's freshly juiced vitamin drops. It's a pure vitamin C serum and one of my favorites. The ingredient list is so simple, making L-ascorbic acid the second ingredient, and got centella and yuja fruit as well in it. Centella is known for its wound healing property and a skin cell production, and yuja helps in boosting your collagen and makes your skin look more firm. This vitamin C is 5% concentration, so it's very gentle on the skin and definitely recommending for the beginners. We pay almost $1,570 for 35 ml. So the next product we have here is Goodal Green Tangerine Vita C Dark Spot Serum. Goodal is an all-natural plant-based product. It got 70% citrus tangerine extract being the first ingredient, and got centella, arbutin, panthenol, allantoin and niacinamide. And we pay almost $18.50 for 30 ml. And here I have some other vitamin C recommendations.
So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I'll see you next week with a different active. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe and share the video. Bye!